Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Excel. Open File, then Options to get to the settings. Once in Options, choose Proofing because Autocorrect lives there and controls typing corrections. Click Autocorrect Options to expose the replacement list and behavior checkboxes. You do this now to access built-in rules and any custom entries you'll add. Make sure to skim the boxes like capitalize first letter and replace text as you type, so you know what will change automatically before making edits. Now you'll modify behavior by editing the replace slash with table. Click a row to change an existing shortcut, or type a short phrase and replace, and the corrections in with and hit add. This creates quick fixes you'll use daily. While doing that, toggle the checkboxes for capitalization and punctuation so Excel handles casing and common symbols correctly. If Excel keeps changing something it shouldn't, open exceptions and add words or patterns to prevent automatic replacement. This saves finish by testing your new autocorrect entries in a worksheet so you can see how they behave in context. Type the replace text and watch Excel swap it for the with text. If a correction misfires, press Undo and open Autocorrect options to delete or tweak that entry. If changes don't take effect, save settings and restart Excel to ensure the configuration reloads. One key troubleshooting tip: disable add-ins temporarily if autocorrect still fails. An add-in can override built-in behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.